Hi, welcome back to Explore Education's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to make a faceless video only using CapCut, ChatGPT, and a little help from Canva to create a thumbnail. For additional information, this video was made using CapCut and script by using ChatGPT. Let's get started. To create a faceless video using CapCut, Canva, and text generated by ChatGPT, here are the steps. First, plan your video content. It is the very important thing. Decide on a topic and script for your video. Since you want to create faceless videos, you will probably focus on screen recording, animation, or footage that does not include your face. Second, use CapCut to edit videos. Import your voice recording into CapCut, or maybe you can even use AI characters to replace your less melodious voice. Edit the video as needed, add text, add transitions, and add other effects to make it more interesting. Avoid including footage of your face if you want to make a faceless video. Third, generate text with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for your videos. Maybe you are not a scriptwriter, then use technology to complete your task instead of being confused. Fourth, export video from CapCut. Once you are satisfied with the editing, export the video from CapCut. Save it and the video you created is complete. Make sure to choose the right settings for quality and format. Then your video is ready to use. Next, create thumbnails using Canva. Open Canva, select the appropriate thumbnail template size for your platform. For example, choose YouTube thumbnail dimensions. Upload relevant images or take screenshots from your video. Add text, graphics, or whatever you want to make it more interesting. Try to make it more interesting. Make sure your thumbnail reflects your video content well and entices viewers to click on it.
6. Combine your video with the thumbnail you have created. Once you have your video and thumbnail ready, upload the video to your desired platform. For example, YouTube platform, use Canva thumbnails as cover images for your videos. Your video will attract. Have you noticed my voice has changed? That is the great thing about artificial intelligence. Not because I keep talking until I get thirsty. Last but not least, optimize your videos and share it. You can add relevant titles, choose the interesting one, give descriptions, and tags to optimize your videos for search engine discovery. Is the explanation about how to make a faceless video clear enough? By following these steps, you can create faceless videos using CapCut, enrich them with scripts generated by Chat, and create attractive thumbnails using Canva to increase their visibility and appeal to viewers. I will put the website's addresses of CapCut, Chat, and Canva in the descriptions column if there are things unclear or lacking in details. I'm really sorry for that, but you can write in the comments column below so we can discuss it if you learned something from this video. Then you can save or share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That really helps us in building and developing this YouTube channel.